jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your...
All right. I feel like I haven't sat down and talked to y'all in a while. I'm so excited about this video. I waited so long just to do this video without opening this packaging. Word, that didn't come out right. I waited to open this packaging. I waited to open this package so I can do this video. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, yeah. Ooh, my pillow. Poshmark. Poshmark literally is a lifesaver. I love Poshmark, of course. This is not, you know, an adder for anything, but on Poshmark I sell, but I also trade, and I'll give y'all a link, a video to like what all goes in trading. But basically is you find someone, ask if they trade. If they trade, you're like, hey, do you want this item for this item? Y'all figure out what y'all want to send with each other. Listed at $3. Make sure that they're the person, you know, and make sure if you feel it's off, don't do it. But you're just trading for $3, you're gonna end up spending like $11 in total for like shipping and stuff. They send you what you wanted and you send them what they want, and happy day. Happy day. So what I traded was the Joey top chain shirt because I could not fit it. My boobs was like, no ma'am. And I was so sad because I really wanted that. And it was $400 and it was past the date of return. And I also got makeup on it when I was trying to do a try on that I didn't even put on because everything would have been showing. So I end up trading it with my friend Claire. Claire is also a Porsche. She's more like business savvy with it though. I'm just like, here goes my stuff. If y'all want it, get it. She's like, no. She trades. She has like Tom Ford, Gucci, or stuff like that, name brand. I mean, she's really doing it. I will link her below. I love trading with her. Honestly, she became my friend through trading with Poshmark. This wasn't my first time trading with her, so I already knew who I was dealing with and everything. I felt safe. I literally just left school just to do this video because I'm trying to post every day of this week. I'm trying to get back in the habit of posting and editing and, you know, getting inspiration, because right now I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, that's a little tidbit. Make sure you subscribe for all the upcoming videos. So there won't be more big. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I know what I traded her for, but at the same time, it's like, ooh, what is it? I know, I'm lame. Okay. I am so excited for this item. Love. Okay, I don't know. Should that be the last? That's gonna be the last. What is the first? Ooh, okay, I know I got more Ivy Park items. Of course, it's me. Okay, so I got the forest green. I have these, but I messed them up and then I put glue on them because I am slow. And she already told me that some points of them had to be threaded again because the mesh had popped, which is like I'm fine with, because the glue is better. The glue is worse than thread. So I just wanted that just to, you know, have it. Okay, I also got this one. I think this was also from Drop 2, if I'm not mistaken, with the lime green. I love Ivy Park, and Ivy Park will forever be in my closet, even though I am selling some stuff of Ivy Park right now. 80% of my closet is Ivy Park, so it'll never be, you know, fully gone. And speaking of Ivy Park, I also got the blue hoodie. I think this is from Rodeo. I'm actually wearing Rodeo right now. Rodeo. I love you, Claire. All right, so, oh, I got the socks. I got the Ivy Park socks. The icy part added. Ooh, and they're like brand new, which is a noise. See, I'm the type of person, I don't really care about my socks. Like right now, I'm wearing gray and white. I never match socks, but when it's my Ivy Park, of course I will. I know my other Ivy Park because I have the rodeo, and I do believe I have some of the icy part too, but I didn't know my sizes, so I actually can't wear them because they're like really tight on me. But now I know, and these definitely look like they can fit. So I'm happy about that. Like the little cute details, how can you not? I'm really excited about this. Y'all know I love my Ivy Park lookbooks, and I always been obsessed with like the picture lookbooks, coffee book type things that people decorate their living room or their house with ever since I think high school. So yes, the Rihanna one I am looking for. I got my eye on it. And so when I saw this, looking through her page, I literally flipped out. I was like, I have to add this to my collection, and I'm so happy. I'm really happy I have it, y'all. I'm gonna do it. Hold on, let me get this stuff off of it first. Now she told me, because the picture, it didn't have any, you know, spots on it or anything, and she told me that when she stored it, it kind of happened like that because she stored it in her basement. And I was like, I'm fine with that, because I was like, oh, I can do this as decor. Maybe if y'all have any tips of like how to restore it or how to make it look cute or whatever, please comment down below. But can you tell by the orange? Oh, baby, this is Hermes. Hermes. I had the lookbook to Hermes. This is like coffee table goals. Now, will I put it on my coffee table? Probably not, because I usually like, you know, hardcover books to, you know, like really display. I probably might hold on to this, but this is the cover. I'm so excited. Oh, it even comes with a bag. Maybe I can display the bag. I didn't know it came with a bag. I probably wasn't paying attention because I saw the book, the lookbook. I was like, excuse me, ma'am? Excuse me? I'm excited. Where I'm gonna put it now in my small room, I have no idea. I also want to like redecorate my room, so I don't know. Oh my gosh, wow, I'm obsessed with this. I feel like trading a $480 shirt that I was never going to wear to pieces that I'm actually going to wear and something that I'm actually collecting and that I'm really excited about is the best deal ever. And I love Claire. Again, I will actually put it right here, and I will look at her account down below. She's such a sweetheart, and she'll make sure that you have like the best, you know, trade ever. Because she's been doing this for a little bit, and I'm just so excited to have this. I really am. Don't get me wrong, I love my Ivy Park. Ivy Park and Trenijah are like this, okay? All right, I love it, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this stuff. Like, I wear my Ivy Park every day. She doesn't say it. No. And I feel like that's it, because I'm just gonna keep rambling how much I love this. I love this so much. I love this so much. All right, so if you want to see more videos from me, your new favorite YouTuber, TrenijahG, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram at TrenijahG, TikTok at TrenijahG, and Facebook at TrenijahG. If you go on Facebook, probably don't go on there as often as I should, but I do go on there. So I'll see y'all next time, my loves. Bye.